Here is a new spy watch we have for sale. It's a very nice silver on black design. It looks really good and performs even better. This is a rock solid high quality watch. It takes clear 720 by 480 video at 30 frames per second with virtually zero drop frames. It has 8 gigabytes of internal memory for storing hours of recorded video. The video from this watch is very good compared to many of the other spy cameras that I see out there. The colors are vivid, the picture is clear and crisp, and I couldn't detect any frame drops at all. The lens is set for somewhat distant recording, meaning it almost has a zoomed effect. This is good for a spy watch because most of the time you might want to be taking covert video from a distance of at least 10 feet away or so. It's kind of hard to spy on someone when you are right in their face, right? The recorded video is actually rather good. The mic is sensitive and can pick up voices from over 10 feet away.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you today?
Good. Busy today? Now the first thing I notice about this watch is that it is just downright cool looking. The band itself is a little rubbery and it's stretchy, and it was designed to get wet. Now this is a real watch that tells time with an analog clock, so the mic will also pick up the internal ticking sound the watch makes as the hands move. One thing some people have asked me is if it's possible to turn off the ticking sound to make it disappear from the resulting audio tracks. The easiest way to do this is just pull out the time set dial as if you're trying to set the clock, and then record video. This stops the clock and the ticking altogether. This is so that when you are wearing the watch, it works space. The internal battery will give you nearly 2 hours of recording time when fully charged. Now, a word of caution about charging the battery. I have noticed in many spy cameras like this that the internal circuitry is not the best at peak charging the battery. If you leave this or any other tiny little spy gadget on the charger too long, it can... To turn the camera on, simply hold down this lower button here. When the LED changes color, let go, and after a second it shifts to solid blue. This is standby mode. Now you can either take video, a still picture, or audio only. We will start with taking video. To start recording video, just quick press the lower function button. The blue LED will blink 3 times and then go out. You are now recording video with audio. Now, one really cool feature about this watch is you can tell if you are recording simply by quick pressing the lower function button again. Just give it a quick press and the blue LED will blink 3 times and then go out again. This is an excellent feature to give you a quick indication if your watch is still recording, or if it has perhaps saved and powered off due to low battery or something. Now, to manually stop recording video, you just hold down the lower function button until the red LED blinks 3 times and then goes out. This saves the file and also powers down the watch. One important question about this spy watch is, how long will it record for on a full charge? To answer this question, I charged up 4 watches all the way, hit the record button, and let them record video undisturbed. When I checked each watch the next morning, each one had very much the same results. They each record 30-minute files, then save that file, and then begin a new recording. They continue in this fashion until the battery runs out, at which point it saves the final file, then shuts itself off. Every watch had 2 full 30-minute files, then a subsequent 10 or 15-minute file, and then a final file which was anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes long. This happened almost exactly the same with 4 separate tests of 4 different watches. So the watch intelligently saves shorter and shorter video files when it senses the battery is getting low. So you can expect at least 80 minutes of recorded video on 1 full charge of the battery. These 4 files total about 1.5 gigabytes, which is less than 1/5 of the 8 gigabyte internal memory. This equals nearly 7 hours of storage capacity if you are recording video with audio. On the other hand, there is also an option to record audio only, and because audio only files take up far less than video, I'm guessing you could get over 100 hours of audio only into the 8 gigabyte watch. If you want to record audio only, just hold down this upper function button for a couple of seconds until the red LED blinks 3 times and then goes out. You are now recording audio. To stop recording, just quick press the button again. The watch can also take still pictures, which is handy if you need just a snapshot of something. Just quick press the upper function button and the LED will turn red and then go back to blue, indicating a picture has been taken. I know there's a lot of watches on the market, so be careful of imitations. Other spy watches